Ground beef quesadillas. Taco seasoned ground beef, corn, lots of gooey melted cheese, and a crispy golden exterior make these easy quesadillas hard to resist. To make them, cook some diced onion and 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, a quarter cup of water, and cook for a few minutes to thicken, and then stir in a small can of canned corn. Sprinkle shredded Mexican cheese on half a tortilla, top with filling, and sprinkle on a little more cheese. Heat a little oil in a skillet and cook until brown on both sides. This recipe makes such a quick and easy weeknight meal. I like to serve these quesadillas with both sour cream and guacamole. You can find the full recipe and many more at SpicySouthernKitchen.com.